What is up, you guys? It is me, Tanisha, and I am back with another video. Hey, girl. Hey. Things first, I want to thank y'all for clicking on my video and spending time with me. It is greatly appreciated, whether you are coming back or you are new here. Welcome, 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 welcome. Today, I am excited for this wig. Y'all know, if you aren't new here, that I am a curly girl fanatic. I love me a good curl. And today I have one that I am excited to put on because I have seen a couple of pictures and a few reviews of it. And the girls was wearing, when I say they were wearing these curls, and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. So let me go ahead and get into this portion of the video. Let's get into it. Y'all already know where she is coming from. All right, we are done with that. Let's get into this wig. This is a Luvme Hair's beginner-friendly 200 density glueless 5x5 pre-cut Afro Curly wig. This wig has a Flexi Drawstring Cap. Get into those curls though. Oh my gosh. So excited. So excited. So like I stated before, this is a 5x5 closure wig, which is talking about this part. For the girlies who don't know, that means that this part right here measures 5 inches to the back of your head from the front to the back and 5 inches side to side. So it only covers about right in here and right probably about how my part is in my normal natural hair. So that is what you are getting from here. Flip her over to the back. You get this portion right here, which is where our flexi drawstring is. So we can put this girl in a ponytail. Now y'all see why I said I was excited. Because y'all remember my video a few years ago when I was like, baby, you can't tell me this ain't my hair. You can't tell me this ain't mine. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. Baby, you ain't gonna be able to tell me this ain't my hair. I hope she gives what she's supposed to give. But the flexi drawstring is just something that keeps you from having or keeps your hair scrunched in the back so that you can put it into a ponytail, or you can get the tightness that you would like per se if you have a smaller head. I do like these wigs with the flexi drawstrings for girlies with smaller heads, because you can just pull this as tight as you like to get it to scrunch up to fit your little head. Also, as I always state, you should always have an adjustable band in your box. That should always be there. Make sure you check to see if it is there before you remove or before you start doing anything with your wig, because you don't want to get started on your wig, make manipulations to it, and then your band is missing. So if you do come across your band missing inside of your cap, contact customer service. Hopefully they can send you one. But 9.99999 times out of 10, this is going to be in there because they know Miss Band is important. This wig also does come with 3 combs that do not come out of your wig, which I do like that, because I don't like when my wigs are slipping and sliding around in my wig and then it comes out when I need it to serve its purpose. I really hate removable combs. I used to dislike removable bands too, but I'm starting to love them, how they have come more, like they've constructed their caps a little bit more. But y'all get into this. Now, first things first, what I will say about this wig coming straight out of the box is that the texture of it from whatever they've put on this hair feels a little weird to me. I don't like this feel, so I will be shampooing my wig. I won't be actually doing it on video, but I will go off camera and shampoo my wig after I show y'all how it looks straight out of the box on my head. But it is giving a little bit stiff. So I will say, for the ones who don't want to shampoo your wig straight out of the box, you will have a kind of stiff feel to the hair. I don't like that because it doesn't feel, it feels like when you put a lot of hair gel on your hair and you have it in there for a couple of days, that's what this feels like. Also, get into how HD this lace is. They did go in and bleach the knots for you, so you don't have to do a whole lot. Now, if you are extra like me, which I'm not going to be too extra today because I ain't in the mood and I don't feel like bleaching, but if you want to go in one more time and get a little bit of bleaching in there to make it look a little bit more realistic. You can do that because they do have several knots on it. On my wig, maybe not yours, but on mine, it does have a couple of knots that did not get touched with the bleach all the way, which is fine because the knots are really small. So unless somebody is all up in your personal space, worried about what you got on your head, they ain't gonna see. They ain't even gonna be able to tell that them knots look like that. If they too close, tell them to get back up. You're too close. So putting the wig on straight out of the box. This is what she is giving. What is this? A string. Okay. This is what she is giving straight out of the box. It is this simple to just put this wig on. Just throw her on like a cap. Adjust her to fit the comfortability of your head. Pull your flexi drawstring. If you decide that you don't want to shampoo your wig, you don't want to do nothing, this is exactly what you want to do. Pull your flexi drawstring and slide the little nodule up. Hold on, let me just show y'all this real quick because that's gonna annoy me. So this is what she looks like straight out of the box. Like I said, I don't like the feel of it, but as far as it being cute straight out of the box, it is a really, really, really cute straight out of the box. A real nice curl, looks very realistic. All of that, all of that. So if this is the look that you like, straight out of the box, wearing your wig straight out of the box, I am getting a little bit of hairs coming out, not out of the actual closure part, but out of the little sections in the wig. And this is another reason why I like to shampoo my wigs, because once you shampoo your wig, it minimizes all of that. So as far as the lace is doing what it's supposed to do. It's a little bit lighter because I do have my makeup on, but the hair is full. The hair is really full, really pretty, really nice. And it's gonna look better when we do it. But let me get to this flexi drawstring because I'm rambling now at this point. So as far as the flexi drawstring goes, what you want to do is pull your hair up. You're gonna take this part, pull it down. Make sure your combs are as they, well, not this one. You're going to leave this comb out. But your combs on the side of your hair, you're going to make sure they're anchored. If you can. If you can't, it is okay. Just tighten up this band right here to make sure that your wig won't move as you are trying to pull your flexi drawstring. But next we are going to pull this right here up. And we're going to pull it until you feel that it is tight yet comfortable enough on your head so you won't be getting a headache. After you pull that, now remember I said don't put your comb in yet. You're going to take and you're going to flip this part and tuck it under your comb. Slide your comb. Hold on. I can't see but you're going to take it, flip this part up under your comb like this and tuck it, and then slide your comb under your band so that your hair is up just like this and your wig is nice and comfortable. Then you just let it down and do what you like with whatever, going about your day. That's how simple this wig is straight out of the box. But coming to this video, you already know, if you have been here before, that we don't like to be simple. Beginner friendly, yes, this wig is very beginner friendly, but we are about to shampoo this wig and get into a little styling so that it can fit what my preference is. I prefer you all do that with your wigs. Make sure the wig suits you and your liking. Listen to me when I tell you, shampoo your wig. Shampoo your wig. Shampoo your wig. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all real quick. Shampoo shampoo it. Shampoo the wig. Shampoo the wig. I cannot stress that enough, especially with the curly wigs. Shampoo the wig. Shampoo it, shampoo it, shampoo it, shampoo it. It is not crunchy. This wig has become extremely soft. It looks more realistic. Shampoo your wig. Now let's get into the styling. Y'all, to be fair, there's no styling to be had. I left my hair, I parted it back down the middle and left it and let it air dry. No products, no nothing. I went to the store. I had to run to the store because I was going to get something for the wig, and I let it air dry, and I was going to come back and show y'all how to style and do all this extra stuff, and realized by the time I came back buying stuff that I thought that I needed, and then I still couldn't even find the gel. I think that was the Lord's way of saying you doing too much. But I didn't need none of that. She is doing everything she is supposed to be doing without any mousse, any gel, any of that. A natural, nice, cute Afro curl. This is the way the wig's supposed to look. It's an Afro curl wig. So what's an Afro without it being poofed out? I like it. It's probably my new favorite. This wig is, hold on, so I could tell y'all what length this wig is. This wig is 14 inches. 14. This is a 14. So I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. This makes me excited. I like stuff like this. I like wigs like this. A wig that all you really got to do is just shampoo it and put her on and just go about your business, and she looks natural through and through. A win is a win. A win is a win. Literally shampooed her after I told y'all I was going to shampoo her. Came back, showed y'all the wig was wet. Thought I needed some stuff from the store. Went to the store with this wig on. Came back, and this is how she looks. And she dried. She dried pretty fast because the store is literally across the street. I went to the store and then got me something to eat. This is what we got. And I like it. I like this wig. This wig eats. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. So if this is a 10 out of 10 for you and you like this wig, make sure you go down to my description box. Click the link or look in the comments. Click the link. Order this wig. And when you order this wig, make sure you put Tanisha in the coupon code to save you a coin. I am finna go enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. Enjoy this wig and this look. And that's all from me. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.